After a year on the road, we have found RV life just as comfortable, if not more comfortable, than living in a house, thanks to these 7 RV upgrades. When Morgan, Chris, Jonah and Jude, we ditched the 9 to 5 to spend more time with each other after years of missing out.
We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that bring us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
Hi Explorers! Greetings from
Michigan.
We have found RV life so comfortable, and I think it's probably because of all the upgrades that we made in the beginning, especially the 7 that we're going to share with you.
And stick around to the end because there's going to be one extra bonus one that we use all the time, and it has saved us a ton of money and allowed us to camp more places.
Installing a fireplace.
Having a fireplace in the RV was essential for us. We want to make sure that it was homey.
He did not want it to begin with. Don't let him fool you. Listen to him talk about
homey, but also the best thing about having an electric fireplace is it saves a ton of money on propane bills in the winter.
And even when we're running the propane, when it's really, really cold, I still think it kind of helps take the edge off. It's so nice, and it really adds to the ambiance too. And I'm glad that I kept rooting for it, and you actually finally went for it.
We got it in the end. A projector system. Having a projector setup was essential for me. I wanted to have the entertainment inside the RV and outside the RV when we're camping or on the campfire at night time, but also having that projector screen inside serves as a blind that we can pull down and have privacy whenever we need it.
The coolest blind ever. It's been so nice not only to watch movies, because that's something that we did a lot when we had a house. We would watch a lot of movies, but this is like having our own little movie screen. It's so cool. And then on top of that, the boys now are getting into gaming, and then they can game in a big screen. And then when they make friends at the RV parks, they have this whole little flex going on. It's super cool.
Toothbrush sanitizer.
The toothbrush sanitizer is absolutely amazing. I wanted this from the very beginning. First of all, it's a great place to hang your toothbrushes, right? It's out of the way, there's not much counter space, so that's a win. However, the best part is in 3 short minutes, I think it's around 3 minutes, it kills 99.9% of germs. And when you're traveling, meeting new people, going to new places, you just don't want to have to worry about that, especially with all different viruses and things going around. So this is like my favorite one.
I will say I do appreciate getting this because those RV bathrooms tend to be smaller. You have your toilet right there and your shower bath and your little shelf space. So having that there does give me peace of mind for keeping those toothbrushes nice and clean.
Dehumidifiers.
Having dehumidifiers are a big must for any full-time RVs. You're gonna get water in your RV no matter what. You could have a completely sealed RV, it's gonna get humid, windows are open sometimes, water collects, it's gonna happen. So having the dehumidifiers, I think we this much water we collect every week probably, and 2 dehumidifiers, and we dump it out. So having those is essential, stop that mold or any unwanted water in there, and peace of mind, really.
Yeah, we have one in the back and then we have one in the front because we need to use them so often. Even when we're staying in dry areas, we actually still accumulate a ton of water through either making tea or hot showers, things like that. So it has been a must for us. Tire pressure system.
When we were in Texas, we met someone called Billy Jordan.
Our guardian angel in the flesh, our Texas guardian angel.
And he told us about a tire pressure monitoring system that he uses for his RV, and we thought that sounds like a really good idea, and it worked really well for us because we had an issue that we had a nail stuck in one of our tires, and if we had driven in that tire, we would have been in big trouble stuck in the middle of a desert in California. So the system itself has small little hubs that have sensors in them that you put on your wheels, and then you have a little monitor in your cab, in your truck, and it'll alert you if the pressures go below, or if they get too high, or if it gets too hot outside. So those are a must-have, and they're really affordable as well on Amazon. I think we paid like $30 for ours. Instant Pot.
Not that RV kitchens have anything wrong with them. However, sometimes they're a little small, and sometimes the oven's a little bit tricky to figure out. We've tried our best over the last year, but we added an Instapot to our kitchen collection. And our repertoire. And we use this thing every single day. So this is definitely a must. And we're actually considering getting an air fryer. Let us know if you've tried that, because it's so nice to cook outside.
That's huge, yes. Cooking outside. Because then you can have your whole little setup outside, you have your own table outside, really gives you that space, and then it doesn't get too hot in the RV either, which is really good.
Clear shores.
When we started our RV journey, we knew that water safety was going to be number one, wherever we were. So we found Clear Source, which is this triple filtered water system. It's safe to drink, and we've tested it numerous times, and it tastes just great. The Clear Source is a little bit expensive to get going, but in the long run, you're going to be saving money because the amount of water that you have to buy probably when you're on the road, it adds up. And so if you're using that filter, it's safe to drink, safe to bathe in, safe to brush your teeth in, and it just gives you peace of mind as well.
Portable dump tank.
The bonus thing that we had to save to the end, the portable dump tank. Now, I thought this was really stupid when I heard about it. I was like, why am I going to use this?
Gotta
Thank
love
you for
Eagle.
the gunshots. Why are we going to use this? We're going to be having full hookup. Doesn't make any sense. It just seems unnecessary. But there is a lot of state parks that we found that don't have full hookup, and there's some really beautiful state parks that we've stayed at that we've actually had to use this because we didn't want to have to break down the RV and drive it to the dump tank and bring it back. It's just a pain in the butt to have to do that.
But on top of that, really, when we first started out, we were just booking full hookups back to back to back, and it's a lot more expensive because we were a little intimidated by using this. So we have saved so much money by being able to boondock, by staying at state parks, which are typically far less expensive than a lot of the RV resorts that we stayed at before that.
Yeah, you save time, save money, and don't be intimidated. It is actually quite easy to use once you figure it out.
I personally haven't used it, but I'll take your word.
Will never figure out that because you're never going to get hands dirty with any portable sewage
Okay,
or any
portable sewage. I was gonna
no
say.
sewage.
Yeah, that's
I don't
gross.
think.
We hope you enjoyed this, and we hope you find it helpful, especially if you're starting out or if you just want it to be a little bit more comfortable as you RV. We'll actually put links down below to each item that we talked about, and for no additional charge to you, if you want to support our channel, if you plan on buying those and use our links, it'll help us, and we'll put everything right back into these videos. We appreciate you. Oh my goodness, it is raining
galore.
and there's gunshots. We're
It's
in the middle of the
Eagle.
country. We gotta go. See you next week.
Cheers.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Oh, sorry, the height was. It is nice to have that peace of mind with the toilet brush cleaner.
So you like it more
Toilet brush cleaner, what am I talking
Okay,
about?
let's start this again.
Oh, toilet brush cleaner. How do you get 2 whales in a car?
How?
Over the M4 bridge.
In a car.
How do you get 2 whales in a car? Over the M4 bridge. It's a little British humour.
I don't get it.